Hello everyone, my name is Amanpreet and I want to share with you all my journey from beginning IELTS to moving Canada. So it was Kritartha Academy for the guidance and the support. With the help of Manjusha ma'am and Jay sir, I just cracked my IELTS with 6.5 bands and as they provide an useful material and the regular sessions of reading, writing and speaking and even the mock test, it was really very helpful. So I would heartily thank to both of them, as they are best mentors. They are like highly professional. So and having an 7 years of academic gap, it was not an easy task for me to cracking IELTS, but thank you both of you. And the next process is how to apply college and choosing a better program. And for all this, Anjali ma'am for there for me. As a student, I had a lot of queries related to college and programs and how to contact, but she was always kind for me, always kind. And she was really helpful for not only for applying college, but or even though for visa process too. And there I made lots of mistakes in my SOP, but she helped me to reconcile all of them. And having an academic gap of 7 years, I just got my visa approval within 79 days, and it is possible because of Anjali ma'am. So I would heartily thank to you, Anjali ma'am. Because of it's all possible. And thank you so much, Kritartha Academy, Manjusha ma'am, Jay sir, and Anjali ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone.